Welcome to the Backyard TV Lounge. What would you like? Did you hear about our new liquor?
Yes, I did hear about the new liquor, but I am not sure about the name.
No problem, my love. The name is Thump.
Thump.
Yes, dear, Thump. Great liquor. One shot of Thump, one thump, and you are super sweet.
I would like to try it, but how do I order it? I just wanted to make sure I get the right thump.
Oh, yes. That is easy. Just come to the Backyard TV Lounge and tell the bartender you want Thump in your mouth.
That's great. I will tell all my girlfriends to come to the Backyard TV Lounge and get Thump in their mouth.
Sounds wonderful, my dear. The Backyard TV Lounge is the only place you can get Thump in your mouth.
How many thumps would I need to put me in the mood?
Thump is strong. Last night, all Cherry had was one thump, and she was off the hook.
Wow. I will make sure I bring a designated driver with me on Friday. Goodbye, kind sir. See you soon.
Take care, my love, and remember our slogan, come to the Backyard TV Lounge and get Thump in your mouth. Have a good day.